I think that there are many of us out there that still want to use CapCut and we don't want to subscribe for the Pro, yet we don't want to see that watermark under or on top. Personally, for me, I don't like that watermark under the video or on top of the video. It doesn't really make sense for me. CapCut has other features that they can actually use to make their money, but they just want to behave like every other app and then just take the joy of using the app. Now you can do this without actually losing your videos, losing your project, or continue your past project. So join me as I take you through the step in my mobile phone and you just watch it and follow through. So you can see the CapCut watermark on this particular video. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look professional. So we will try to remove it. We'll go to a particular website called temp-mail.org, temp-mail.org, or just go to Google and type temp mail. It will be the first result that shows on your screen. When you get there, click on it and it will open. This is the email address that we'll be using for the trick. Then when you scroll down here, you see where you get your message. So just follow me very closely and you will get this right. Now we are going back to CapCut. Now we're in CapCut. Click on this button up here that looks like a person. Then you see switch account. Click on switch account and choose add account. When you click on add account, you sign in. Now we're going to click on the sign in via mail or sign in with mail. It's going to tell us to log in. Now click down here where it says sign up. Now when you click on that, it's going to take you to creating your account. Now when it shows you this email here, that email we copied is what we're going to put. Now put the email there and follow through. They sent the code to the email. Now let's go back to our temp mail that we minimized. Now this is the message that came. So I'll fill in these numbers there and I'll follow through. All right, we are done in that area. So our account has been created. Now let's go back to our video and open it. Now you can see that the CapCut watermark has been removed. All right, this is the simple trick on how to bypass this watermark. You can consistently do it and do it and do it. Okay? Now, when probably they ask you on a later time that switching of account is over, you can just delete one or two accounts that is already there and just keep on doing the switching. I hope this lasts before maybe they find out or something. But if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to somebody that you think would be in need of this video. You want any more hacks, what you want me to do, or what's the kind of videos you want me to post. See you on the next one. Ciao.